Hello, my name is Valentine Gesché. I'm a postdoc at RWTH Aachen University, co-founder and CEO of Paragraph, both located in Aachen, Germany. On November 9th, 1989, I was in London, helping my mom with birthday preparations and enjoying childhood. I was actually pretty excited knowing that my granddad would come the next day. Well, I actually had a hard time to remember what I wanted to become as a child. What I do remember is the fascination for planes and why I wanted to become an engineer. In the end, I became an engineer, however, in a completely different field, in medical technology. To work at the intersection of the human body and a technological spare parts is what has become my passion ever since. My research breaks the wall of complex cardiovascular disease treatment. Each person is unique. However, we usually treat patients with off-the-shelf implants which are available in certain standard sizes. Now, in some complex clinical pictures, a patient-individualized implant might be the only unrivaled solution to give the patient a successful treatment option. One example for these complex clinical pictures is a complex aortic aneurysm. It's a bulge in the aorta, the biggest blood vessel in the human body. It grows, and at any time it could burst, and the patient could bleed to death. To produce such a custom-made implant is highly restricted until today. Why is this so? First of all, there's a very long delay in delivery. It takes 6 to 8 weeks to produce and deliver one implant. Second, there are many manual process steps involved in the manufacturing process, making it a non-scalable manufacturing process. And third, the price is extremely high. One implant may cost up to 35,000 euros. And this is exactly where we come into game. We have developed a process enabling us to produce patient-individualized implant in a fast, easy, and reliable manner. And we do so in only 5 days instead of 6 to 8 weeks. So how does it work? We receive the CT scan from the hospital. We design the perfect implant for each patient on our proprietary software platform. And then we move on to our hardware using an innovative textile manufacturing technology to produce these implants. And we want to use our platform technology to conquer many more applications in the field of cardiovascular diseases in the future. We have found a way to easily and reliably transfer personal image data into a textile machine code. This requires a high degree of knowledge to include the challenging textile behavior both during the production process but also in its final environment in the human body. This is at the key of our innovation to create patient-individualized implants. Our vision is to deliver the best treatment option for each and every patient through implant individualization. Our technology enables to perfectly match each patient's individual needs. We have founded our company Paragraph last year, and we would like to close the translational gap from research to clinical routine. We are currently working hard on our first product, a patient-individualized stent graft. Next to defining a new era in patient-centered care, our ambition is to start even earlier in the process and to involve both prediction and prevention. What if we could use the available data to predict a patient-specific outcome for a certain device? Can we find ways to not only have a geometrical individual implant design, but to create a fully functional personalized implant design? What if we could find new ways to prevent the necessity of individual implants? At Paragraph, we like to look at a patient-centered care as a holistic approach. And to find these answers is something that excites me and that can keep me lying awake at night.